Attending Labelexpo? Make sure to stop by Domino booth 6523, where all your questions will be answered. Enjoy educational and informative presentations from a wide range of well-known, well-respected industry professionals speaking on the topics you want to know more about, including making money with digital printing, growing your business, providing more value to brand owners, workforce development, hybrid label printing, ink migration, and more. These live presentations will run 15 to 20 minutes each, packed with valuable information in a brief format. So be sure to arrive a few minutes early so that you don't miss anything. In addition, watch live equipment demonstrations of the Domino N610i Digital UV Inkjet Press and the K600i Dual Bar Digital UV Inkjet Printer. These demonstrations will focus on shrink sleeve, labels, and variable data. It's a full-throttle, non-stop schedule of events taking place in the Domino booth. You have to see it to believe it. Plus, within the Domino booth is the Spectrum Brew House, where you can enjoy a hot coffee served throughout the day and cold beer starting at 3 p.m. and continuing past the close of the show until 6 p.m. on Tuesday and Wednesday. So arrive early and stay late to see more, learn more, and do more. Scan the QR code to have the schedule of events on your mobile device or go to dominodigitalprinting.com for more info.